Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, we are going to see a term VBM, Value Based Management. It is a strategic organizational approach that focuses on maximizing the value. Value is often taken to mean long-term shareholder value. The core tenet of the approach is that organizations should maximize the value for their discounted future cash flows. This means adopting a longer term horizon than many organizations do and not simply focusing on profitability, which is a short term. In order to create value, organizations need to ensure that they only invest in projects and products that provide a return on capital greater than the organization cost of capital. By doing this, they can ensure that they will be generating positive return on capital, and in doing so ensure they can return dividends to the investors. Of course, a byproduct of this strategic approach is that organizations create an incentive to redirect benefits or returns to the shareholder from other shareholders. Over the past half century, this has manifested itself through things like stagnation of working wages, the degrading of environment, and the erosion in supplier stability and fair treatment. For value-based management to be effective in work, organizations need to become proficient in three core competencies. Creating value. First, an organization's strategy to be focused on creating value. Their decision-making process should focus on long-term value added by activities, typically measured by discounted cash flows, and investment appraisal should consider the organization's cost of capital. Second one could be managing value. Leaders should manage organization to maximize value. The organizational culture and mindset should enable value maximization. Governance structure should support value creation and tracking. Leadership should focus on and communicate the value creation imperative, and the organization should be changed to support it. Finally, measuring the value. Leaders should define value and be clear on how to measure if they want to maximize it. Thanks for watching. Bye.